541 AD, Justinian plague. 25 to 50 million people died. Approximately 500,000 people died per day. European population was reduced to half. It started in Constantinople, which is now Istanbul in Turkey. At that time, no one knew why people are dying. Later investigations revealed that it is a plague spread by rats and caused by a bacteria, Yersinia pestis. This bacteria is extinct now. The disease disappeared slowly by 750 AD. Bubonic plague, 1347 to 1357 AD, also known as Black Death. As per estimates, 75 to 200 million people died. This was spread over Europe, Asia, and Africa. It was same plague spread by rats and caused by same bacteria, Yersinia pestis. Smallpox. This caused havoc from time immemorial till 1977, when it was eradicated. In 20th century alone, the recorded data of death goes to 300 to 500 million. It first appeared in 10,000 BC. Mummies with the scars of smallpox have also been found. The smallpox is caused by a virus, variola. There are two varieties, variola major and variola minor. Last case of smallpox was reported in Somalia on 20th October 1977. Finally, WHO declared it as eradicated from the surface of Earth in May 1980. Cholera. There have been 7 pandemics reported in 200 years. In Bengal province of India, during 1817 to 1824, 1 to 2 million people estimated to have died. As per WHO, cholera infects 1 to 4 million people every year. People all over the world, mostly in poor and underdeveloped countries with unsafe drinking water facilities, get affected. It is caused by a bacteria, Vibrio cholerae. Since it is a bacterial infection, we have an antibiotic to control it. However, FDA has approved a vaccine, Vaxchora, in 2016. Spanish flu, 1918 to 1920. Some also call it forgotten pandemic. The estimated number of deaths were 25 to 50 million, whereas around 500 million got infected. It is supposed that it originated in Europe. It is spread due to movement of troops during World War I. At that time, Spanish flu killed many people, but no one knew why they are being killed. No one has seen virus because there was no microscope. Spanish flu affected young and adult more, whereas COVID-19 is greater risk to elderly and comorbids. As per some records, the Spanish flu disappeared by summer of 1919. One theory says that virus mutated and became less lethal. The other says that those infected either died or developed immunity. In the present stage of scientific development, we know the COVID-19 virus. We know its genome. We know the way it acts in our body. Medicine and vaccines are being developed at a fast pace. There is a hope. Details of all the sources of information given in this video are given in the description below. If you like my work, please do subscribe and mention your comments in the section below. Thank you.